Do you know which organ in the body requires the most energy? If you answered the brain, you are correct. So how can we give our brains the energy they require to function at its highest capacity? That's what we're going to find out today. Hi guys, I'm Begonia with Simply Health. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. Today we're going to talk about 4 best foods to give your brain the energy it needs to thrive. So let's get to it. Because the brain is so rich in nerve cells or neurons, it is the most energy demanding organ of all. It uses half of all of the sugar in the body. A quick note before I continue. You will hear me use the terms glucose, sugar, and carbohydrates in today's video. These 3 words all refer to the same molecule. Confusing? I agree, but I promise that my next video will clarify these terms in detail. So let's move on for now. Thinking, breathing, talking, walking, memory, and learning are closely related to sugar levels in our blood or blood glucose. According to Harvard University, if there isn't enough glucose in the brain, our neurotransmitters, the brain's messengers, are not produced and communication between neurons breaks down. In other words, your brain cannot function properly. The brain is dependent on this sugar as its main fuel. It cannot survive without it. There are foods that can absolutely help the brain. These 4 make the top of the list. 1. Fruits. Cherries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries. These are rich in anthocyanins and protect the brain from oxidative damage, a major contributor to neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Enjoy a handful of berries as a snack or add them to your cereal or yogurt on a daily basis. These fruits can be very expensive, especially in the winter months, because they are summer fruits. Why not try to grow them yourself at home if you have a piece of land? Blackberries and raspberries are really easy to grow. I know from personal experience, and once they are established, they require very little care and yield a lot of fruit. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are essential for good brain health. They're found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and tuna. Try substituting meat for fish 2 times a week for best health. If you don't like fish, you can also get omega-3s from walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. 3. Daily vegetables, especially broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, as well as dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and chard. Try 2 cups a day for best results. 4. Healthy carbohydrates from beans, tree nuts, and whole grains, such as brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and whole wheat bread. These foods are not just good for the brain. They sustain a healthy heart, and they help us decrease the risk of developing heart disease in the long run. For a list of foods that you want to avoid for good brain health, watch my 1-minute video on this topic. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this video was helpful to learn a little more about how to care for that precious organ that is the brain. Please remember to like and subscribe. Join me in my upcoming video where I clarify the terms glucose, sugar, and carbohydrates. And until next time, cheers to your health.